21 to 30, positioning and z-index. 21. What are different position values in CSS? Static, relative, absolute, fixed, sticky. 22. What is position relative? Positions the element relative to its normal flow. 23. What is position absolute? Positions element relative to the nearest positioned ancestor. 24. What is z-index? Controls stacking order of elements. 25. What is position fixed? Fixes element to the viewport, doesn't move on scroll. 26. What is position sticky? Element toggles between relative and fixed depending on scroll. 27. Can you explain stacking context? It determines how elements are layered when z-index is used. 28. How does top, left, right, bottom work with position? Only affects elements with a relative, absolute, fixed, or sticky position. 29. How do you make an element cover the full viewport? CSS position fixed, top 0, left 0, width 100 VW, height 100 VH. 30. What is the default position of HTML elements? Static.